Just arrived here at Tameron Gulf Coast. We have this beautiful 2019 Ford F-250SD Lariat Edition Crew Cab truck. On the exterior, we have fully automatic headlights, 4-wheel drive, 4-inch leveling kit, beautiful black wheels, power rear sliding window, remote keyless entry, and rear backup camera. Inside, you have spacious leather seating for 5 with heated and cooled front seats, overhead console, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and push-to-start technology. The LCD touchscreen display comes preloaded with navigation and has Bluetooth technology to keep you connected. This one-owner 2019 Ford F-250 has less than 100,000 miles and comes with the AutoCheck Buyback Protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information and to schedule your test drive today.